Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Walmart Pay in the Walmart app. Let's get started. First, go to walmart.com and create an account if you don't already have one. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Next, download and install the Walmart app on your phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and set up your payment method. You can add a credit card, debit card, or Walmart card. To do this, tap on Account. Then go to Wallet and select Add Payment Method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After adding your payment method, you're ready to use Walmart Pay at a Walmart store. When you're shopping in store, scan your items at the self-checkout just like you normally would. Once you're done scanning everything, press the green Pay button on the self-checkout screen. On the Payment Options screen, you'll see a QR code. Now open the Walmart app on your phone and tap on Walmart Pay. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the checkout machine. Once scanned, the app will automatically process the payment using the payment method you added. After the transaction is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen in the app. You can also view your digital receipt directly inside the Walmart app. And that's it. That's how you use Walmart Pay in the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.